Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong
And I Joseph Ling. And by this time, everyone who is an ROC citizen should have a brand new ROC citizen ID. 现在在收听的听众朋友们呢，應該呢都已經換好了所謂的這個中華民國的身份證，新的身份證一定要換。
新嘅哦。
新嘅哦，是 new one, right? But I thought, why don't we use this chance to teach people a few words about documents, about important IDs and passport, for instance. All these words in Hakka. So 我們今天用客家話呢來跟大家介紹一些非常重要的一些證件的一些說法怎麼說，這樣子好嗎？
好啊。
Okay, so first off, 身份證, which is a citizen ID.
身份證。
身份證. How about your passport? Now that's very important. 護照呢？
護照。
護照。好難念。護照。
你復唔出來嘿。
那護我可以，跟那個照。照。
哎。
就是
護照。
照。So there you go, that's passport. For those foreigners who are living in Taiwan, ARC or Alien Resident Certificate.
居留證。
居留證.居留證. Okay, that's an ARC. They would also need what's called a work permit. 也需要所謂的工作證。
工作證。
工作證. And up next, this is a card that everyone should have because it's very important, especially if you're going to the doctors. It's the National Health Insurance Card, 也就是健保卡。
健保卡。
健保卡。
錯。
哦，安尼好，我知啊，健保卡。哦。好 finally, two more. For those who drive around, you gotta have a driver's license. 需要駕照。
駕照。
駕照哦。你還找我駕照來？對，我有加州駕照，你要不要看 Alice？ 駕照啊。
駕照就是駕照。
哦，就是駕照啊。哦，駕照。
加州是嘎族。
哦，真的嗎？所以加州的駕照是嘎族駕照。And finally, a vehicle registration 需要一個行照。杭州。現在搬到杭州去了，杭州出美女，對。
杭州。
杭州，對啊，杭州。
行照。
哦，行照。Okay, that's registration, vehicle registration. 那杭州怎麼說？
杭州。
杭州，杭州。就是杭州的行照。Anyhow, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.